Hello friends, welcome to LMS Solution Research Support. In this video, I am going to show you an interesting and an important AI template for all the researchers. So if you are struggling to reduce plagiarism in your research paper or thesis or whatever it may be, so your academic reports, this AI template will be very helpful for you to reduce your plagiarism. So you can just copy and paste the content, automatically it will change that content accordingly to reduce plagiarism, and you can check the same with any of the plagiarism checking software also. So the important thing is that whenever you are reducing plagiarism, you have to stick with the core meaning of the content. There are many paraphrasing tools are available in market, but when it comes to plagiarism reduction, it will paraphrase drastically, or it will change some awkward words in paraphrasing. So in order to avoid this AI template is especially designed to produce a perfect paraphrased content with this, which is plagiarism reduced, and also you can use the same for your research paper also without changing the core meaning of that respective content. So let us go on to today's video and explore that AI template and how you can use that AI template for plagiarism reduction. So for that, go to lmssolution.net.in. So in this LMS solution, you will be finding an option called LMS AA. You can just click on that LMS AA. So in this LMS AA, you will be finding different options, LMS AA templates. So all these templates are especially designed for your research paper writing. So you can use all these templates. So in this video, I am going to show you an important template called the plagiarism reduction. So just to click on that plagiarism reducer template. So in this plagiarism reducer template, so this is the dashboard. So you can just copy and paste the content and just give reduce plagiarism. Automatically this plagiarism reducer template will analyze that respective text and it will reduce plagiarism for you. So for that, I am going to take a random research paper. So this is a research paper I am going to take. For example, if you want to replicate the content, but if you use the same in your research paper, surely it will result in plagiarism. So in order to avoid plagiarism of this respective content, so you can use the plagiarism reduction AI template. So just to copy and paste the content and then just to click on reduce plagiarism. There are many tools, or lot of tools are available to reduce plagiarism, that is as well as paraphrasing. There will be a difference in plagiarism reduction and paraphrasing. So plagiarism reduction is a unique one. It must stick to that is meaning of the content without changing the meaning. It has to paraphrase. A normal paraphraser will paraphrase the content, so but we are not sure that it will stick to that core meaning of the content or not. Here comes the paraphrased content. So here you can see that K means it's an unsupervised clustering algorithm. So K means represents an unsupervised clustering algorithm characterized by its simplicity. Like that, all the content is paraphrased. So here you can see K samples are randomly selected. The selection of K samples is conducted. So like that, it will rearrange the sentence, probably active to passive, passive to active accordingly in order to give the perfect meaning for that respective sentences. So in the same way, you can do for rest of the algorithm also. For example, if you want to use this random forest principle, so you can copy and paste here, and then just click on reduce plagiarism. So it will analyze that respective content. So here comes the content. So it will analyze the respective content and it will give the plagiarism reduced content. So this you can use the same in your research paper also. This is how you can use that respective plagiarism reduction template and make your research paper plagiarism free. So whatever the content you want to replicate, don't copy and paste just as it is in that respective paper. Surely it will lead to plagiarism. So you can copy and paste in this respective template and reduce plagiarism and then use the same in your research paper. Thereby, the possibility of the plagiarism will be reduced drastically while using this kind of AI templates. As far as plans and pricing is concerned, so at just 199, so you can access all our LMS AI template for 1 month, and you can get one plagiarism and AI report per plan. So important thing is that you can have unlimited access for LMS AI template. So if you want to reduce plagiarism for your thesis, so you can use the same template and you can reduce plagiarism in your thesis also. Like that, make use of this option. So and the best value plan is 999. So you can access all our LMS AI tool for 1 year and you can get 12 plagiarism and AI report per plan. So important thing is that you can access all course on demand videos and unlimited access for all our LMS AI templates for 1 year. So make use of this option and make your research paper writing simple and easy. So thank you for watching our videos. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Have a nice day. Thank you.